have fuselage 2, and instead of screwing, I'm just going to go ahead and glue these carbon fiber rods in. These are 10mm magnets that we are going to place inside of fuselage 1 and 2. Here we're going to use 8mm magnets to glue them to the hatch in fuselage 2. The end fuselage didn't fit on my printer there, so I had to slice a separate piece, and I just glued that on there. Then we're going to go ahead and glue all the fuselage pieces together. Now working on the servo, we're just going to insert this metal rod here, attach it to the servo arm, insert the servo, and then screw on the servo arm. Guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you check out Bastlerow for this plans, and there'll be a promo in description. See you next time.